All I do is bring you winners, guys. All I do is bring you winners. How's everybody doing today? Hope you had a great weekend. I had a great weekend, and I hope you did too with your friends and your family. Hope you had lots of fun. And hope you're ready to make lots of money. I gave you guys this pick on Friday, and I have to give a shout out to OG Chronics, one of the watchers, listeners, and viewers and subscribers who actually gave me this pick. I did my research, I loved it, and I brought you a full alert on Friday. And guess what, guys? Magically, the magic in these hands, everything that I've been touching has been turning into gold, guys. And look what we got here. Another winner. Up 42%! What does that deserve, guys? That's a big winner. All I do is bring you winners. Who else is bringing you winners absolutely free every single day, guys, other than me? I'd love to know so I can go watch their picks too and make some free money. That's a big winner, guys, that I brought you guys first before anybody else. That's what I do here on Rich TV Live. Bring you guys winners. I do the research so you don't have to. Now, I'm not trying to tell you guys you shouldn't do your research. That would be pretty stupid because it's your money that's on the line. But if you did just decide to throw it into Rich Picks, at least you'd be safe in knowing that I did the research for you. And chances are the picks are going to do well because I wouldn't bring you guys a bad pick. Why would I want to bring my viewers, my fans, my subscribers a bad pick that's going to lose you money? That's not what I'm here to do on Rich TV Live. I'm here to make you money. I'm going to help you guys get rich, and I'm going to teach you guys the secrets of the universe, the secrets that only the elite know, the secrets that only the super rich know, the secrets that only the rich want to know, and they don't want you to know because they want you to continue to be sheep. They want you to be in that rat race forever and ever and ever and ever and ever until the day that you die. Why? So that you can make them money. So you can work for them. Why work for yourself when you can work for them? I'm here to educate your mind, people. Once you learn what's going on up here, and you learn to use your mind, and you open up your mind to the secrets of the universe, you too will realize that this life is not impossible. That being successful is not impossible. That being rich is not impossible. It is all possible for each and every one of you. But you have to have a plan. Two things are going to happen in your life. You want to know what they are? You're going to die, and you're going to pay taxes. Those are two things that are guaranteed in your life. So what are you going to do in between the time that you are born and the time that you die? Are you going to make money? Are you going to make things happen? Are you going to create success? Are you going to create breakthroughs for yourself? Are you going to travel? Are you going to see the world? Are you going to jump out of planes? What are you going to do with that average age of 70 about? What are you going to do with that 70 years that we got? Are you going to find rich picks that go up 43% in a day? Look at that chart, guys. That's absolutely unbelievable. And I brought it to you guys first. Thanks to you, the listeners, the watchers, the subscribers. OG Chronics, you brought me this pick. Without you, I wouldn't have been able to bring this pick to you, the public, that potentially could have made you almost 50% in a day. So if you put in $1,000 on Friday, your $1,000 would have made you close to $500 today. That's not bad, guys. But I'm not done there. I got more for you guys. I got more surprises. I got more free picks. I got more winners for you. The people. Let's talk about it, guys. Let's talk about it right now. All right? Let's get into it. What are my picks? So I got a pick that I've been researching that I really like. And it's a big board company. It's a company that I've been watching for a long time. You guys probably heard of it before. Company name is Tesla. I love this company, guys. They just announced their revenues, their earnings. They're skyrocketing. They're going up. This company is absolutely on fire. Put it on full alert. Put it on your watch list. TSLA. It's at $278, but it doesn't matter, guys. It's a great company. It's up 3% today, and it's a company you need to start to put on your watch list. Put it on your radar. This could be the next $500 or $1,000 stock, guys. It's just that strong. It's that good, and it's got that much momentum. You need to watch it. You need to put it on your watch list. Put it on full alert. Put it on your radar. It's a big winner, and you heard it here first on Rich TV Live. What else do we got for you guys today? PNTV, one of the rich picks. It went up. It came back down like I tell you it always does. And it hit a bottom and bounced up today. 24%. All I do is bring you guys winners every single day. Hope you had PNTV on your radar today. They're doing quite well, guys. Up 24%. Let's take a look at another one of my rich picks. ACOL. It went up early this morning. Was up well over 10%. Came back down. The shorters got a hold of it. And it's starting to creep back up, guys. Keep your eye on it. Look at that volume. This is what starts to get my attention here, is the volume. 13 million shares at 2.5 cents, up 6%. This is a stock you need to watch. You need to keep your eye on it. It's up a lot this year, and it has more room to grow. I truly believe that, and I believe it can skyrocket. Okay, guys? So keep it on your watch list. Make sure it's on your radar. Make sure you're watching it every single day. But remember, guys, just because I give you these picks, it doesn't mean that they're going to go up. Make sure you do your due diligence. Make sure you do your research. Make sure you are 100% sure that you want this stock if you're going to buy it. Okay, guys? I'm not here to tell you when to buy. I can't do that. All I can do is bring you good picks, winners, and hopefully you can do your own research, do your own due diligence, start learning to trust that gut. That gut. Us humans, we're the number one. We're the best computer ever created. These guts that we have, this intuition that we have, these psychic abilities that we have, they're real. The key is, how do you learn how to unlock your own intuition, your own gut, your own feelings? And if you're looking at a stock and your gut is just saying, this is a good one, trust your gut. If your gut is saying, this is a bad one, I don't like this stock, this is not something I want to do, trust your gut. Always trust your gut. Your gut will be right. The power of intuition, guys. It's a big thing. And you got to learn how to trust those guts. Let's look at some more. This is the LeBron James of medical marijuana stocks, guys. Weed, medical marijuana, up 3% today, all the way up to $12.80, people. 2.5 million shares. This chart just skyrocketed this morning. It's come back down. It's just under 13 bucks right now. It was just touching $13 this morning. Came back down now at $12.80. I love this pick. Like I said, the LeBron James of medical marijuana stocks. This is the leader, the first billion-dollar medical marijuana company in the world. You want a medical marijuana deal? This is the deal. Everybody else, they're not LeBron James. Like, you guys know LeBron James is the #1 player in the NBA, right? Forget the MVP award, the most valuable player during the regular season. LeBron James is the guy. He's the guy that gets to the finals every single year. The rest of the NBA is trying to beat LeBron James. Well, this is LeBron James of the medical marijuana space. Canopy Growth Corp. WEED. Numero uno. #1. Put Put it on your watch list. Make sure it's on your radar. It's up quite a bit. It could come back down. Be careful, everybody. Do your due diligence. Do your research. Make sure you're 100% sure that you want that stock. But if you do buy the stock, rest assured, you've got a really good pick. It's a big winner. All right, guys, let's look at some more because all I do is bring you winners. Let's look at this one. Let's talk about crashing stocks. Now, this stock, KBS Fashion Group Limited, I brought this to you guys last week. It just continues to go up. It's just insane. Now, I do not like stocks that go up this quickly. It really worries me because usually it's going to come back down. That's exactly what happened today. This was up heavily this morning, went all the way up to $17. Like, what the heck? And was up like 50% on the day yet again. And what happened? Crashing all the way down. The shorters got a hold of it, guys, like I told you. They see a little meat on the bone, and it's that war, that consistent struggle of good versus evil, buyers versus sellers. The buyers bought it up. The optimists bought it up. The pessimists saw, whoa, there's a lot of meat on that bone. Let's take some of that meat. And took it all the way back down. It's still up today 15%, so you're still up if you bought it. But the reality is, it's a very, very, very risky play, and it's a roller coaster ride, people. I don't know if you want to join that ride, but if you like roller coasters, put KBSF on your watch list. Make sure it's on your radar. I'll be watching it every single day, bringing you updates. But I just want to make sure that you guys are aware that this is a very risky play. But no risk, no reward, people. If you bought this last week, you're up. It's been climbing up every single day. So it's a big winner. Now, I want to do a little bit more due diligence on one of my picks that I brought you guys. Let's take a look at it. ADVT, the big winner today. I brought it to you on Friday. Currently up 44%. Thank you, OG Chronics, for the winner. Advantis Corporation, ADVT. Now look at this chart. This is just a thing of beauty. Look at this. Whoop! That's a thing of beauty. Now let's take a look at why I brought this to you guys, okay? Bar Chart's opinion is at 100% buy and ranks in the top 1% of all short-term signal directions. Long-term, the trend strength is in the top 1%. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of the trend. However, the market is in highly overbought territory. Beware of a trend reversal. This can end at any time, guys, because what goes up must come down, but this has a ton of momentum, so I believe it might continue. That's why I brought it to your attention, and it's up another 44% today. Let's take a look at how much it's up. This is just amazing. In the last month, we're up 636% in 1 month. If you put in $1,000, you would have made $6,000. If you put in $100, you would have made 600. If you put in 10 grand, you would have made 60 grand. If you put in 100 grand, you would have made 600 grand. That's the beauty of the markets, people. Quick money, quick returns, fast. That's a huge return. That's since January 17th. That's not even a month. In the last 3 months, we're up 960%. Woo! Those are some huge returns, guys. Let's blow this up so you guys can see more. Blow this up. Blow it up. Oh, that's too much. Let's blow it up there. There we go. All right, people. So let's take a look at it now. Now, in the last month, up 636%. In the last 3 months, up 960%. In the last year, it's up 2,300%. Wow. All I do is bring you winners, people. If you bought this stock and put $1,000 in, on April 21st, 2016, your $1,000 today would represent $23,000 in profit. If you put in $100 in last April, your $100 would represent $2,300 in profit. That is huge, people. These are big winners that I'm bringing you every single day. Make sure it's on your watch list. Make sure it's on your radar. Don't buy it. It's up 40% today. You should have bought it on Friday. But make sure it's on your watch list. Make sure it's on your radar. Keep your eye on it. It's a big winner. It might continue, but remember, it's in highly overbought territory. So what goes up could come down, and I don't want you guys getting stuck holding the bag. But make sure you watch it. Make sure that you guys are keeping your eye on it. And I hope it continues. That's all I can do is hope. Now, what I want to do today is we've got so many people that are joining. And thank you. Guys, I have to give it to you guys. I honestly have to give it to you guys. You guys are honestly the best audience anybody could ask for. On Friday, we were sitting on 95 subscribers, okay? 2 weeks ago. I asked you guys to break 100. We crushed 100. Then last Friday, we're sitting at like 172 subscribers, and I'm like, guys, let's break 200. And this morning I wake up and we've got 200 subscribers. How exciting was I? Well, all I could tell you guys was I was pumped. I was seriously pumped. You know, it was just like super exciting. And I was pumped. I woke up this morning and last night I was at 197. And I didn't want to go to sleep. I'm like, I want that 200 subscribers. I know the watchers, the listeners, the subscribers, they're amazing and they're going to hit that 200 mark. And it was like a present. It's like YouTube is watching. I woke up this morning on exactly 200 subscribers, people. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Without you, none of this would be possible. Thank you for allowing us to become the fastest growing channel on YouTube. Let's hit 300 this week, people. Let's crush that 300 mark. I know we'll do it. We're breaking records every single day. That's all we do here. All right, people. That's all we do every single day is bring you winners. Now, what I want to do is a lot of you guys have been asking me questions, and a lot of you guys are new to trading. And some of you are actually scared, sitting on the sidelines, scared. I don't want you guys taking chances, putting your mortgage money in these stocks. I don't want you guys taking chances, putting your hard-earned money into these stocks. I want you guys taking the money you can afford to invest. You can afford to put away. Take your cigarette money. Take your candy money. Take your alcohol money. Take your money that you're wasting. Money that's sitting in an account doing nothing. Money that you could potentially build with long term. And I want you to use that money to buy these stocks. I don't want you guys taking your mortgage money, putting it in a stock, and thinking in 30 days you're going to double your money or make 1,000%. Because the reality is sometimes these stocks go down. And when they go down, you have to be willing to wait. You have to be prepared to wait until they come back up. Or you got to be prepared to buy more, lower your average cost, have a better position, wait for some news, and then when the stock bounces, get out of that stock. So you don't want to put yourself in a situation where you're putting all your eggs in one basket. Don't do it, people. This is for fun and educational purposes. And yes, you can make money. You can make a lot of money. But I want you to feel comfortable. I don't want you guys opening up a trading account, putting money in the account, and then closing your eyes, and then waiting for my pick, and then just buying it, and then hoping and wishing for the best. That's too stressful, okay? I want you guys to set up a Google Finance account, which is free. Take all my rich picks, go through all my videos, write down all the rich picks, create a massive watch list, start watching them every single day, and learn how to read these charts. Learn how to understand buying pressure, selling pressure, momentum, and learn how to get in and get out, and learn how to buy low and sell high. And this is something I'm going to teach you guys, and I'm going to tell you stocks that I'm buying, and I'm going to tell you stocks that I'm interested in. I'm going to tell you stocks that I like, and I'm going to tell you stocks that I'm in at. I'm going to tell you stocks that I'm out of, and I'm going to tell you what's going on with me. That's all I can tell you. I cannot tell you when to buy. I can't tell you when to sell. But I will tell you, if you're up on a stock, get out. And sometimes I'm going to tell you to get out and they're going to keep going up. And sometimes I'm going to tell you to get out and they're going to go down. But the reason why I'm telling you to get out is I want you to take your money and run. And if you get out of a stock and it continues to run, you can always buy it again. But if you don't get out of that stock and it goes down, you're going to either lose money or you're going to get hurt. And that's not what I want here at Rich TV Live. I want you to win. I want you to make money. I want you to win. I want you to win all the time. Now, it's not going to happen, but I want to try to reduce the amount of deals that you lose money on. And I want to increase the amount of deals that you make money on. So get to know ADVT. Take a look at it one more time, guys. What a beautiful thing. Isn't that a thing of beauty? Absolutely unbelievable. So what's happening here is my thoughts, my theories, my beliefs of what we could do as a unit is happening. I thought that, yeah, I could bring you some picks, but you could bring me picks too. And if you guys find me good picks, I can bring it to you, the public, in real time. And if we find deals that are moving in real time and I bring them to the public, we can get in the momentum stage before it hits its peak and we can make 40% returns in one day. Which is exactly what we did in ADVT. If you saw my alert on Friday and you got in, you are up 47% today. That's the whole idea behind what we're trying to do here today, people. That's the idea behind what we're trying to do every single day here. Is we're trying to create something new. We're trying to create something special. And we are. And it's thanks to you that it's all happening. So one of the watchers, one of the listeners was asking me, how do I place orders? Let's just say I'm working all day long and I want to place some orders. How do I do it? Well, that's absolutely a great question. And class is in session, guys. So I hope you're taking notes and I hope you're watching and I hope you're learning. So let's just say you're in Canada or in America and you've got my TD direct investing account. And let's just say I wanted to buy ADVT on Friday. I could have went and bought ADVT on Friday, and I believe it was at 0019. And I could put an order to buy it at 0019 right on my computer. It's called a limit order. And let's just say you put in a limit order to buy $1,000 worth of shares. You just go into your computer and say, I want to buy a limit order for $1,000 worth of shares, and then you put a good till cancel order. So your order is good till cancel. You can make it for 1 day. You can make it for 5 days. You can make it for a month. You can make it for 60 days. So I would go in and say, okay, I put in a good order. I want to buy $1,000 worth of ADVT, good till cancel at 0019. And you put it in the computer, click. That order will stay there until your order gets filled. So you don't actually have to be sitting in front of a computer to put in your buy and sell orders. And let's just say you're going to work today and you got in on Friday at 1-9 and you wanted to get out at 2-9. You can put a good till cancel order. So I want to have, I would like to sell all my shares at 2-9. I want to sell all my shares at 2-9, good till cancel for 30 days. So you say, I want to sell all my shares at 0.029 for 30 days, good till cancel. Now that order stays in your account for 30 days. And if it goes up to 2.8, you won't get filled, meaning your order won't get filled. But if it goes to 3, your order will get filled. So you do not need to stay in front of your computer every single day, people. You can put your orders in, go to work, and then check your orders sometime during the work, later on at work, or after work every day, and see if your order got filled. So you do not need to be sitting in front of your computer every single day, staring at your level 2, wondering if you should get out. You can put your orders in, and you don't even have to be there. You can do it at nighttime. You can do it in the morning. You can do it 24 hours a day. That's the beauty of trading nowadays, guys. You don't even have to call anybody. Now, if you want to and you're new at trading, you can call TD Direct Investing and they'll put in the order for you. So now you can say, I want to keep that order good till cancel. So they'll usually keep that order open for at least 30 days. Or you could just say, I want it just for today. But you need to make sure you give your instructions to be very clear. You want to be 100% clear. I want to buy ADVT. I want to buy $1,000 worth at 2.9. And then I would like to sell 1,000 worth at 4 cents. So you put in your orders, you make it clear, and you can leave it there for a day, 5 days, 10 days, or 30 days. So I hope this answers your question. And I love the questions and I love the input you guys are giving me. My job here is to give you guys advice every single day, to educate you so you guys become experts and you guys are getting better every single day. And I absolutely love what's happening. And I really appreciate your guys' input and appreciate all the hard work and effort you guys are putting in. And I hope you do appreciate all the hard work and effort I'm putting in to bring you guys winners. And guess what, guys? I got you some. I found you guys some winners. That's what I do here, guys. I found you guys winners. Not just these winners. I got you guys more. You guys ready for some winners? Rich TV Live Top 10 Winners. Here we go. NERRICHTVLFSNYTTWOBBLFSN and ADBT. That's my top 10, guys. Should I write it down? Let me write it down here for you guys that are watching live. You guys are watching, you deserve this. NAUHPEXLWBLFSNYT New York Times TTWO, brought to me from one of the viewers. BBGI IMMU SNOA ADVT. That's the Rich TV Live Top 10, brought to you absolutely free. Those are 10 picks that I've researched all weekend long that I think are going to be big winners this year and I think have huge potential. Let's take a look at it. NAUHPEXLWBLFS. Up 51% now. Woohoo! NYT, New York Times, $15 stock, but I love it. TTWO, big board stock, but I love it. BBGI, IMMU, SNOA, and ADVT. Book it, people. Those are 10 winners brought to you absolutely free here on Rich TV Live. Go to www.richtvlive.com if you guys have questions, comments, or if you want to hire my services for social media, YouTube channel creation, social media creation and management. I can do that for you for a small fee. All the fees are right on the website, guys. But if you want to go to my show and you want to get my picks, these picks are absolutely free. We're getting you rich every single day. Absolutely free right here on Rich TV Live. Before I leave, and I'm about to leave soon, I want to give you guys some information. So there's something called stock promoters. Now, stock promoters are people that get hired by companies, and they're people that get hired usually by these small companies like ADVT, small microcap issuers, companies that are under $5 million in value. That's what we consider small cap issuers. Companies that are trading well under $1, usually under $3. Some of them are trading well under 10 cents. They're going to hire a stock promoter to help increase the momentum of their stocks and their securities because they're small companies and they need as many people buying the stock as possible. Stock promoters have a place in the industry, but they're not the most safest type of investments for you guys to invest in. So I wanted to talk to you guys about 4 stocks that are being promoted today because I do watch this every single day and I get the alerts every single day. So I just want you guys to know that these stocks are being promoted by stock promoters. They might do well, they might go down, but just add them to your watch list. And I'm going to be doing a lot of shows talking about stocks that are being promoted, stock promoters, promoters that I like, promoters that I don't like, and I'm watching them all. And what you guys should do if you're new, go to Google and type in stock promotions, stock promoters, or just promoters. And what will happen is you will get guys that have all these websites and they'll want your email address. And what they'll say is they'll give you stock picks that they say are going to rise. And what I do for education and entertainment purposes is I've signed up for all of the alerts. I got them all. I know all the promoters and I know a lot of them personally. So I've gotten to know which ones are good and which ones are bad. There's 4 picks being promoted today that I want you guys to be aware of. First, AFOM. Let me write that here. AFOM. The second one, AVLIF. AVLIF. The third one, ECOB. And the fourth one, HZNM. HZNM. Now, I'm not telling you guys to buy these stocks. These are stocks being promoted by stock promoters. Promoted stocks. So there's different stock promoters that are promoting these 4 stocks. I wanted to bring them to your alert. I wanted to bring them to your attention. I want you guys to start putting stocks on your radar every single day. I want you guys to start learning how to analyze stocks. I want you to start learning how to read charts. I want you guys to use this platform as an opportunity to bring me your questions. Bring me any ideas that you have. Bring me your picks so I can analyze them. And I'm analyzing your picks every single day. And I'm not going to bring all your picks all at once because I don't have enough time in the day to do that. But trust me, I'm looking at all your picks. I read all of your comments and I'm going to answer every single one little by little throughout these shows, guys, as we just hit up 52%. So I just wanted to leave you guys with all of this information on Monday. I don't want to overwhelm you. It's a holiday here in Canada. It's family day. So I got to get going. My son's playing in a soccer tournament. So I'll be making some more videos doing the things that daddies do. But in the meantime, remember, all I do is bring you winners, everybody. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I love you all. We just hit 200 subscribers. Let's smash 300, everybody. I love you.